On today's video, we're going to be knocking out pork belly burnt eating. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because on today's video, we're going to be knocking out pork belly burnt ends on the pit barrel. Woo! Wait, what are you looking at? Wait, are you looking at this?
Oh, is that what? What's that over yonder?
Is this? Yep, they're finally out. All the clean eating rubs, 100% healthy, zero sugar, and good for you. So if you're trying to lose a little weight like OD is, this is my favorite. What's your favorite, Wes?
Man, No.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you did. It's fine.
These two are my favorite.
These two. Let's show them. Tell them what they are. Nobody knows what
This
these are
This
yet.
is the garlic. I just love
garlic.
it. I just love like garlic. That's why we named it that. Because I was like, what is it? It's like garlic, but with garlic.
With
So it's
more garlic.
And southern chicken. And lemon. The lemon twist on fish is phenomenal. And the freaking fiesta dips in the, where's the taco? The taco. You ready to get this pork belly going?
Let's do it. I'm ready to do it.
So guess what we got? They just launched. They're on the website now. We got Kosmos Q disposable cutting boards. 2 sizes. And these are super awesome. And if you notice on the back, this side's tabbed so you can open it and then close it if you want. I just leave mine open. Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
That's super neat.
Boom. But let's jump on to the star. We got us a little bit of pork belly.
Does the coffee taste better out of that Cosmos cup?
Yes, it does. Coffee and whiskey. A lot of people don't know this, but coffee and whiskey actually taste better out of a Cosmos run. I don't know what it is.
And whiskey by itself and coffee by itself.
Bingo.
In case you don't mix them this early.
All right, so we got a pork butt here from Sam's.
Pork what?
I'm sorry, not a pork butt. Pork belly. From Sam's. We got it on sale. For the record, this isn't how I like to cook pork belly, but so many people have asked, I was like, okay, we'll do it. We're gonna cut this in about 1.5 to 2 inch chunks. Well, slices first, and we'll cut them in chunks. I know these chunks look big, but there's so much fat in here that they'll shrink up. Besides, who cares? It's freaking bacon. So we're just gonna throw them in here and get them seasoned up. You ever had these?
Man, I haven't. This is my first time.
So we're just gonna hit them with some Dirty Bird Hot. That's one of my go-tos. And just mix them all up. Get them turned in there. Get them turned up in here. Just get them nice and covered. One more light coat. And then we'll do a little bit of killer beef. Now I'm not gonna do too much of this. So I just put these on here. They're gonna shrink a lot. There we go.
Like a glove.
Bingo. All right, man. Let's get this fired up. Out of curiosity, what'd you guys think of that last video, hanging out with the Guggen Squad? That's what I'm talking about. Man, we had so much fun down there. Make sure you go and follow them guys. They are doing a killer job and some of the smartest guys in the business I've ever met, hands down. All right, so we got our can heated up. We're just gonna move these right on here, and boy, this tray, that's a lifesaver. Set these little rigs right on here. Put the lid on. They're gonna take a little heat nap for old Kosmo. All right, so it's been right at about an hour, and whoo, that fat's releasing. Let me pull one out of here. So I'm gonna grab another glove, and we're gonna open these up and flip them. All right, so I'm gloved up. Now we're gonna try to flip all of them as fast as we can. Ready, go! You just wanna do this quick because this is gonna take off. Jeez.
Time.
Man, I was eating that stuff. Great thing about putting that lid back on, it immediately chokes out that fire. All right, we're gonna probably give them about another 30, 45 minutes, check them again, see where we're at. I put a little bit of a little char on them, like bacon, Ooh, ooh, shoot. We're gonna dunk these, give them a little sweet apple chipotle bath, get them back on the cooker, just let them get good. We don't want them chewy at all. At all. But you see how they shrunk down? They shrink down freaking nice. But I like that little crisp on there. I love that. Give them a nice little toss. Let's get the lid on these. Probably be right out about an hour and we'll be eating these suckers. Make a pork belly burn-in hot dog. We have some hot dog buns and just line them in there. All right, so it's been right about an hour and 30 minutes. These have been in there steaming, just looking good. So we're gonna give it a try. Oh man, that's money. That is money. Well, hey, as always, thank you for watching. So make sure you pound that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video.